Welcome to Rebuilder 365, a web documentary series where we x-ray Governor Ikpeazu's achievements in Abia State, one community at a time. In the past 56 days, we have taken you on a journey of discovery where we brought you Governor Ikpeazu's projects one day at a time. We will be doing it for 365 days. This is day 57, and this week on Rebuilder 365, we continue our story on the CSDP intervention by visiting the Amachi Unsulu community in Isalangwa North Local Government Area, Abia State, where Governor Ikpeazu has initiated and completed another community development project, the Amachi Unsulu Health Center and Staff Quarters.
Amachi Unsulu, another community in Isalangwa North. They completed market, health center quarters, as well as a school block. The community is a border community. They are close to Akwa Ibom, and people couldn't survive delivery because of lack of such facility. Serious maternal deaths recorded. Because of distance, they will only go to either they were coming to Umuahia or they are trying to access Ubuelangwa. But with this health center, with registered nurses and equipment, they were able to manage their health issues within the community.
Health center. School. The quarter.
For many years, Undi Amachi Unsulu grappled with the non-availability of a health center and its effect, often resulting to visiting neighboring communities for their health needs. This had dire implication for the health of Undi Amachi until Governor Ikpeazu brought his Midas torch and a health center was constructed and equipped for the Amachi Unsulu people. Staff welfare was also taken into cognizance as a staff quarters was also built.
For many years we have been suffering. Even the nights, any slightest thing, we rush to Neni because of we don't have a health center.
Before here, it's almost like in an open place. When you ask people to come around, they will say, I won't come this area, it's not convenient for us.
So with the building of the health center, we could at least have minor treatments.
But now, people are responding very well. And you ask them to come, they will come.
We are happy that as of now, we can go in there and check our BP, check our sugar level, and if possible, in fact, have some tests before we can talk of going to hospital.
Since we built the health center, we have been having many turn-ups and we have been caring for the pregnant women and the children.
Not many people would want to be traveling, the nurses. So with the quarters, they were constant. We always see them anytime we come to the health center, we always see them.
They build the staff quarters so that we can be able to live there and have patients. You know, we will have to work in the daytime and in the night time so that we can be able to see the patients every time. And when they come, they can be able to see somebody there.
Governor Ikpeazu did not stop there. He also built a market for the people to trade their farm produce and also constructed a school building for the use of the children of the community.
Their market, very large market, that is even used by people from Akwa Ibom. So, part of the assistance to that community for that market.
Kembombo that village before. I went out here. 12 years before Mat, Akreka, with the help of the CSDP. Women are here today. I'm going to be a place in winning day to get last year. So I'm not sure roof we are very neat. Mere partitions.
mgbe arụcha ka ha arụchala ahịa ọtụtụ n'ime ha bịa nwee shed ha da-anọ ere ha ebuhe ahụ ya ụfọdụ ndị na-esi nwe ga-anọ ebe ahụ na-ere ha na-ere skuulu ahụ dị ha obi ụtọ n'ihi mbụ ile anya na skuulu anyị ọbịa mbụ the standard building ndị ya gboo na skuulu ahụ ebe a ndị mmadụ na-aga and mgbe ọ bụ ogbe klaasị m juru eju ndị mmadụ ndị anọ damụhwe da-eme obi ndị ha ụtọ ha pụtara ele obi na-atọ ha ụtọ.
Today, the people who hitherto had no health center, no school, and no market are now equipped with all three, reaping the dividend of democracy and a government who take delight in their progress.
Yes, we are very grateful to Governor of Abia State, Governor Ikpeazu, PhD. We are happy.
I need this government. So I need to relay. They can look at the Ikpeazu. Mukwan la iri turu la government ya. So kwa ya kwa gali. So more de muta ko yenwa ngozi na ha Jesus.
Obi ndị ọtọ ọbịa bịachita gbasa ndị ala amacha ebe a da arụrụ anyị anyị kelere si adịkwa emede aga ka ọma.
Everybody is educated now because of the health center. They used to take their injection, take their drugs, so we don't have any problem with that one since we have the health center.
I'm encouraging the people of Amachi Sulu to continue coming to this health center because now we have a convenient environment.
Our community. Limenai, Nokorai, Egwandi CSDP, Wabian Hendy to. So I nekele about you. Nihina own when open mad Chetakwala community. Kwesịrị inwe ha ndị otu ala ndị ya si iji nyere ha aka. So obi ndị m ụtọ too much n'ihi na o mere my community ihe ndị otu.
Project 057, construction of a health center in Amachi Nsulu and other projects in Isalangwa North Local Government Area, Abia State.